Hi, hello, hi, I'm Felicia, Bhoke. I come before you today as a clinician, as a registered nurse, and my passion, my goal, what I really enjoy doing is equipping the community, equipping people, giving them the tools and information that they need to take better care of their own health, to be safe, to be an informed consumer. My husband and I, we have Jesus Reigns Restoration Ministry, and one of our goals is to restore health. So today I'm coming to you and share with you about the coronavirus disease. Not everyone has the time or inclination to go to the CDC website or WHO website to see what information is there right now. And I am going to do my share as a clinician, as a woman of God, as a nurse, and to provide this information in a simple as I can make it. I have been a registered nurse for over 15 years now, and I have seen a lot. I've practiced in different adult care department or entities, from emergency room to ICU to cardiac care to orthopedics. And let me share with you what I can about coronavirus. Why? So that you are not afraid, so that you're not worried. Knowledge is power, so that you know, okay, what is this? What can I do to prepare? What can I do to protect my family? What can I do as me, as you? Because everyone is able to do something rather than be afraid, no matter how limited your healthcare knowledge is, or even your resources, because you might be listening to me from different parts of the world. And I'll have this video in English, and then I'll have this same video in Swahili to serve our Swahili speaking audience as well. So the coronavirus disease, 2019 it's called, that's why they call it COVID-19, is a respiratory tract infection caused by a newly emerging coronavirus that was first recognized in Wuhan, China, December of last year, 2019. And according to the genetic sequences of this virus, for those that would like to know the scientific part of it, it is closely linked to the SARS, S-A-R-S virus. Now, while most people with the COVID-19 might develop only mild or uncomplicated cause of illness, approximately, according to the World Health Organization, which is the website that I'm getting this information from, approximately 14% will develop severe disease that requires them to be in the hospital and requiring oxygen, while 5% might require admission to actually ICU unit. That's why I am moved to do my share in informing the public about this disease, so that equipped with the right information, you can be able to handle it in however way that God gives you the capacity to handle it, so we can all come through safely. In severe cases, this COVID-19 can be complicated by acute respiratory distress syndrome, which is ARDS, ARDS. It could be complicated by septic shock, sepsis, whereby you see a patient, their pressure is dropping Their heart rate is high. They're looking sick. They're feeling sick. They are really looking what you call really bad, or they tell you that I'm feeling really bad. Or it could end up in multi-function failure. These are people that end up in ICU. Maybe acute kidney injury or cardiac injury. Now, I'm telling you this not to scare you, but just to inform you so that you know what's the worst that can happen. In our older members of the public, or older family members, and people that have other diseases going on already, they are at a higher risk. That is why we need to be equipped, and we need to be informed. Now, I will not go into too much of this technical part of this disease, but I just wanted us to be informed and to know exactly what this disease is, and what we can do about it as members of the public. And next, I am going to speak about the symptoms, so that you know, because it's very similar to a cold. That is why it's good to know what you need to do about this disease. So thank you for listening so far, and on the next video I'm going to talk about the symptoms of this disease. Meanwhile, I'm going to have the next video talk about this same information in Swahili. Thank you, and thank you for listening, and talk to you soon.